Hey there, dessert lovers. Let's start with the base, a simple cocoa sponge cake. Crack 4 large eggs into a bowl and add 120 grams of sugar. That's about half a cup plus a tablespoon, if you don't speak metric. Today we're making an Oreo ice cream cake. No fancy machines, no eggs in the cream, just a cool, layered treat that disappears faster than your willpower at midnight. Whip it up with a mixer until it's pale, fluffy, and triples in volume. Be patient. This takes 7 to 10 minutes. Now sift in 100 grams of flour and 20 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder. That's about 3/4 cup and 3 tablespoons, respectively. You can add a teaspoon of baking powder too, if your flour isn't already self-rising. Fold gently. No harsh stirring. We're not making scrambled eggs. Line a 20-centimeter springform pan with parchment, pour in the batter, and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, for 40 to 45 minutes. Don't peek early. Cakes are like cats, temperamental and don't like sudden drafts. Once done, cool it completely on a rack, then slice it in half horizontally to get 2 layers. Take 115 grams of Oreo cookies and crush them into crumbs. Save a few for decoration unless you snack on them first. I won't judge. Yes, we're leveling up. Now, let's make the ice cream filling. And yes, it's dangerously easy. Grab 350 milliliters of heavy whipping cream. That's about 1½ cups. Make sure it's super cold, like your ex's heart. Whip it until soft peaks form. Hey, quick question. What's your favorite childhood frozen dessert? Was it an ice cream sandwich, a choco taco, or just a giant bowl of cookies and cream? Tell me in the comments. I want to know how nostalgic we're getting here. Let's assemble. Place one cake layer at the bottom of your springform pan. Add half the cream mixture, then sprinkle the remaining cookie crumbs on top, like edible confetti. Place the second cake layer on top, then spread the rest of the cream evenly. Smooth it out. Pop the whole thing in the freezer for at least 6 hours. Overnight is better. Now for the fun part, decoration. Press whole Oreos into the top and sprinkle on some chocolate shavings if you're feeling fancy. And there it is. Creamy, crunchy, chocolatey perfection. It's like Oreo and ice cream had a baby and raised it in a bakery. Whether you're making this for a birthday, a hot summer day, or just because you deserve something amazing, this cake delivers. It's rich, it's nostalgic, and it's impossible to eat just one slice. Seriously, make some space in your freezer and maybe cancel your evening plans. Thanks so much for watching. If this cake made you hungry, drop a like and subscribe for more cozy, delicious dessert videos. We've got plenty more coming. See you in the next one.